Okay, so now I'm actually editing this video. I realised the intro didn't actually film when I thought the GoPro was playing up. So this video is just a quick little Pov drive, nothing too special. I've recapped this all in the end. So yeah, literally imagine I've done an intro, we're getting in the car, we're prepping up, we're ready, the cameras are rolling, like there's fire, there's dragons, and it's just some mad shit going on. So yeah, that and then bam, filming begins. Alright, so I'm gonna put you back into the video now because this made no sense and the rest of the video wouldn't have made sense without this. But yeah, Pov drive, dragons, fire and all that shit. So yeah, bang. So yeah, like I was saying, for my GoPro went weird because it always goes weird on me. We've got a nice bit of open roads today, lovely weather. Let's have some fun. We've got it in like the secret setting or whatever they call it, and hopefully you can now get a better feeling and vision of how the car reacts. So we're warmed up to good temperature and we've got some nice national roads. Out through. Sort of just see by, like, hopefully the video picks it up as well, just how well this car does handle. Obviously it's traction on, just brake before, power through, power out, just goes with it. You hear the slight bangs of the exhaust pipe as well. Yeah, it just feels so well. And if you can hear that banging around, that's my steering wheel lock, because that's sort of like a key feature you have to buy with one of these before it gets nicked. Leave it in third and power through. So now we sort of caught up to a bit of traffic again. I'll just slow down a bit. Obviously you didn't have to break the speed limit at all to have fun in these cars. Like, I was still I was staying within the limits, and it's just the feel of the car and the response you get back from driving it. The feedback just through how you can feel through the steering stuff is so good. It's a very much driver orientated car, I'd say. I'm not coming on here saying I'm fucking next to Lewis Hamilton or nothing. I'm not a good driver at all in that respect, but you can appreciate how it drives. Like, compared to my Fiesta, although the Fiesta was on BC Racing coilovers, this still handles, I'd say, almost just as good as it did. It might just be for the four-wheel drive setup and stuff, but it always feels like it is a front-wheel drive car that I'm driving. But because the way this four-wheel drive system works, because it's electronic, it can only send 25% of power to each wheel, which isn't best power-wise, but handling-wise, it works perfectly. I may have got some of that wrong, and then someone's going to slip up and say I've done this and that wrong, but I believe that is sort of how this four-wheel drive system works, and it just handles so great. But you can feel when driving it, like, it's got the power there, but at some points you do think it does need more power here, like when it hits boost. And I mean, that will come later down the line when it comes to mapping it, but that's just how I enjoy my cars. I like to have a lot of power coming through. I can move this back quick. See, what I'll do is I'll get a little gap. See, I only just put fuel in and it says I've done 20 miles. Mate, I've done like 3 miles. So one problem with this car, it likes to drink your bank account very, very quickly. But hopefully we've got a nice bit of road now. There's no one behind me, so I can slow right down. Launch control, first gear. Woohoo! Oh yes! Launch control's so sick. I've never had launch control in a car before. And even though it is manual, so the launching in that respect isn't the best, it sort of just holds you perfectly at 5k revs. When you're like foot to the floor, you'll sit at 5k revs and then you just sort of dump the clutch and go. But it's still so it's so well put together. You can see that they've put a lot of time and effort into this car when it's come to handling, launching. I mean, I've said that the power isn't as amazing, but if I just like throw it around this roundabout quick, you can feel how it, you can hear a bit tyre squeal, but you can feel it just sticks to the road. Power out. Woohoo! It's just one of them cars where you can, like a day like this, you can go out and just have so much fun in it. And it's not ridiculous. Like if you think of the other cars in this sort of price range, yeah, I see it on Top Gear and they just say these are so much, it hasn't got the best power, but they say it is the most fun. And I haven't drove the other cars, so I can't give you 100% feedback to that response, but through driving this, I just have so much fun. You can't help but have a smile on your face when you drive this car. So I hope you enjoyed that, because that was my first sort of Pov video. I don't know where it's come together. Like I said, I would have done the head cam, I would have done a bit more, but I thought I'd just do a little bit for now, because obviously it's not really got much going at the moment. It's still stock power, stock suspension, stock this, stock that, so there's not much different to you watching another video of someone else driving it, apart from it's me. I'm not exactly the best driver in the world, but I do want to definitely take on some sort of track days this year. But obviously tyres and brakes and stuff aren't going to be cheap on this car, so I don't know how I'm going to afford that. But I do really want to sort of get like a more track car focused car as well, maybe down the line in the future. A few come months, get one in the middle of summer would be good. But it's just such a fun car to drive. I don't know how well it picks up on the video of like the driving experience of the car, but the handling, it just handles perfect. I mean, it could always be better with like bushings, strut bars, sway bars, stuff like that, but these things all sort of come down the line in the future. I've only just got the car, I don't want to be throwing a load of money into handling. I know AirTech are very track focused with these sort of cars, so I feel like if I speak to guys over AirTech, they might be able to put me in the right direction to what sort of suspension is good value for money, strut bars, sway bars, all that sort of thing. Like I'm saying, power flick bushings, you know. I think there's like a lower engine mount that the Fiesta, I think there's a torque gearbox torque mount, something like that, that I think AirTech, Revo, maybe even car enhancement sells, so I'll have a look into that very soon. But so far the car handles so well standard. Like I said, it needs a little bit of power here and there, but all around as a car set up as it is, it handles amazingly, feels so great. You get such a good response back from the car, and I hope that has sort of picked up through the camera. If you've driven one of these before, then you probably already know what I'm talking about, and I feel like I'm just selling it to you. But also, hope you like the new merch. I sort of went for like a Vans logo design, so this is the first time I'm wearing it on camera. I've got this, and I've got a black t-shirt, and I've got a hoodie. They'll go up for sale, or like pre-sale soon. I'll get some pre-orders so you can get yours first, but I haven't actually launched them yet. So I hope if you do like this, let me know in the comments down below, because I haven't put any live, or drop me a message if you want to get through ordering one and stuff like that. But this is just sort of like I just wanted one for myself because it looked cool. But yeah, it was, and I haven't actually driven this car properly in a little while, so it was so nice to get out, lovely sunny day like this today, and have some fun in it. So I hope you all enjoyed this sort of video. If you want to see more Pov videos, or if you want to see another one, if you want to see different angles, obviously it's hard, I can't get exterior angles when I film on my own, and I don't want to just leave my camera set up and keep driving past it, because that's just a bit of a nightmare, and I don't know if I'm getting the right shot or not. So if you do want to see more videos of that Pov, or you want to see it when there's more sort of more handling or performance mods on this car, please do let me know. We have got some big mods to come to it very soon. I just missed it with the postman, so I couldn't get them in time. So if you've enjoyed this and you'd like to help support me more, please go check out my Patreon. It's always a top link in the description. It really does mean a lot. You get like a free sticker on that on sign up, and I've got new stickers coming out very, very shortly for patrons only. And if you're already a patron, you'll be getting one for free anyway. So if you want to check out, it's $5 a month. That's like £3. That's like a happy meal, man. Like, help your boy out. I really do appreciate it. If you don't want to, it's perfectly fine. Buy a sticker. Keep watching the videos, like the videos. Just help support me do me. And so thank you so much for watching. Smash a like if you enjoyed and want to see more of this. Comment, like I said, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.